Good morning, everybody. It is a brand new week, and this week is special because it is a review link. So I wanted to go ahead and make a quick tutorial to show you what to expect. First of all, I wanted to stop by Class Dojo and show a link that everybody's going to need to click on. It says the above link has also been emailed to your child, so this will be in your Gmail account as well. This link will provide access to Edpuzzle, which is needed to complete the review videos for this week. Okay, they are interactive videos, some of them. They're no more than about 5 minutes long, and they require you to watch the whole thing before it will mark it as complete. And I will be able to see that just like I can see your dream box and how many lessons and how much time you've spent on that. So let's go ahead and click this, and it's going to take you to a screen that says Join Miss Saikano's class. That is where you will click Join, and then it will take you to the video page. Okay, the video page will look like, let me do some extra clicking here. The video page will look something like this, and it will have dates beside it for when they are actually due. So you can see that these two videos are for Monday, May 4th. This video is for Tuesday, May 5th. These three videos are for Wednesday. There's one for Thursday and two for Friday. Okay. And if you can see this right here, it'll show me, I had my daughter log in so that I could see what it would look like on your end so I could talk to you about it. And it shows how long she watched. It shows how long I watched. So as soon as you are logged in as you, and it's one click, it says join my class and it'll show you all the videos. It's very simple. You'll be able to watch videos at your own pace. Now I want to go back and I want to take you to actual Google Classroom, and I'm going to show you what your checklist looks like for this week. So when you log in, you're going to see again your list. I'm Icano Math and Science, classwork always. Okay, and then you can see right here it says May 4th to May 8th. Review week. Okay, so here's the checklist. The checklist will also come with the link. So you'll be able to see as soon as it loads. May 4th through the 8th. Teacher video lessons are Monday through Friday on Google Classroom. You click here for Edpuzzle, and it will take you to the same link that will allow you to join our classroom. And then it's going to talk about what you're going to be learning this week. On Monday, it's equivalent fractions. Tuesday is finding common denominators. Wednesday is comparing fractions. Thursday, you're going to be changing improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to improper fractions. And then Friday, you're going to be solving addition and subtraction word problems with those improper fractions and mixed numbers. Okay, there is an exit ticket every day on Google Classroom after you watch your videos. And then on Friday, there'll be a quick school net. So let's go ahead and take a look at day one assignments. Back to classwork, and here's Monday, our equivalent fraction review. So you can see that the Edpuzzle videos are there for you. And I'll just click on it to show you what it'll look like. You can always go through Google Classroom after the first time you sign into Edpuzzle. Okay, so it'll show you my results say I'm done because I watched this video. I've watched all of the videos before I assign them. And all you're going to do is watch about equivalent fractions, and then there'll be a thing over here that'll show you. It'll pop up around 90% finished, and then you'll watch the last 10 to 15 seconds of the video and it'll show 100% completed. Okay, after that, you'll close it out. You'll open up the next video and you'll do the same thing. And if you notice, these videos are not long at all. They're about under 5 minutes. So you can take a brain break in between if you need to. After you're done, you'll close that out. And then you'll come to the equivalent fractions exit ticket. Now it's going to look a little bit different. You're going to read what this says, and then you're going to answer number one. Answer number two, the blanks are what you're supposed to be filling in. You'll answer question three. There are 3 different parts to question 3. 4, you will read, and then you will label the fractions. 5, same thing. And then 6, you're going to have a little bit of a written response. So it is very quick lessons. It's not going to be difficult, but you do have to make an effort on your exit ticket. And again, you'll submit that the same way you always do, via a photograph. Okay. Same thing for Tuesday. There's only one video and an exit ticket. Wednesday, there are 3 videos and an exit ticket. Thursday, 1 video and an exit ticket. And Friday, 2 videos and an exit ticket. Okay, so a couple other things I want to share with you. Mrs. Johnson's social skills will be listed under here. My office hours link is always right here between 10 and noon. All you have to do is click on that and you'll be able to see me live and I can help you. There is an extra thing I put in here for this week, and it's your Kahoot Fractions Challenge. This is completely optional, though it is 20 questions and it's untimed. So you will have all the time you need in order to complete each one. So it'll show a join name. My name was Mrs. Iacano when I did mine. Please pick a name and then put your real name at the end so I know who to announce as our high scorers on Thursday. Okay, so that'll be 20 questions and you'll get to play it untimed. So I'm going to leave that. And then the other piece of information I wanted to share with you is my Google Meets. Okay, so our Google meeting this week will be on Thursday, May 7th at 11. And I will send out plenty of reminders for that. And you'll go ahead and click on this link. And it's going to be on Thursday, May 7th at 11 a.m. Okay. If you have never joined a Google Meet with me before, please watch this before you join for just some basic rules. Okay. All right, friends. If you need me, I'll be around from 10 to noon tomorrow for questions. There are different ways to sign up for your Edpuzzle. Either parents can click the link from Class Dojo. You can click the link from your email signed into your school Gmail account, or you can do it from our week 5. The link is right here. Once you do that one time, you should be good to go for the rest of the week. All right, see you soon.